Hello everyone, today we'll be doing the magic milk experiment. To start the experiment, we'll be needing milk, food coloring, dish soap, toothpicks or a type of stick, as well as a plate. Next, we'll be taking our plate and adding in our milk. We're going to want to make sure that our milk just covers the bottom of the plate, and we don't want to put in too much milk, otherwise we won't be able to see the reaction happening. Next, we're going to add in our food coloring to the center of the plate. Here, I'm adding a few drops of purple food coloring. And then I'm going to be adding a few drops of pink food coloring. And finally, I'll be also adding a few drops of some blue food coloring as well. All of these I'm adding to the center of the plate as it'll be easier to see the reaction when they're all in the center. Next, we're going to take our toothpick and dish soap, scoop up some of the dish soap, and drop a bit of it into our milk. As you can see here, there is an immediate reaction where our food coloring spirals outwards, creating a pretty pattern. As the reaction goes on, you can see that the food coloring continues to spiral in the milk, and the reaction continues to happen. So now let's explain what's actually happening in the experiment. Milk is made up of many different materials. These materials include water, fat, proteins, lactose, as well as other minerals. However, these fats and proteins, which make up a small percentage of milk, are very sensitive to changes. Soap, however, loves to make changes such as dissolving and bubbling up in water. As a result, in our reaction, when the soap gets dropped into the milk, it begins to interact with the fats and proteins in milk that are sensitive to change. This causes the fats and proteins to start to move around the milk in order to connect with each other and other molecules in order to stop these changes from happening. As a result, we see the food coloring start to disperse outward, creating the pretty patterns that we see.